The Cascades, palaces of nature that expand the spirit of achievement. From Regency comes the Cascades Series, featuring the peak of eco-friendly innovation with triple burn technology, the apex of manufacturing hearth products for 40 years. Regency's Cascades Series uses a revolutionary triple burn system to maximize burn efficiency with low operating costs. In Stage 1, combustion air is fed to the base of the fuel bed, igniting initial combustion, which then releases hot flammable gases into the firebox. In Stage 2, this superheated oxygen is fed into the top of the firebox where it feeds into a secondary burn that pulls more heat energy from available gases. In Stage 3, the remaining unburnt gases are fed in through Regency's custom-designed catalytic combustion chamber, creating a chemical reaction that can boost temperatures to an astonishing 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit. This reaction reburns the gases for a third and final stage. The system delivers a balance of higher efficiency, cleaner combustion, and maximum heat control, all with less wood, less loading, and less effort. Depending on which Cascade model you're operating, the unit can extend burn times by up to 50% when fully loaded, and deliver up to an astonishing 84% efficiency, with emissions that meet the EPA's 2020 targets. The Regency Cascades Series is available in a range of stove and insert models for homes of all sizes. The timeless warmth of a wood-burning stove with tomorrow's clean energy standards. That's the Regency Cascades Series. Learn more at regency-fire.com or at your local Regency dealer.